Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Winter is here, we have some snow, but it's not ice age yet. But can you replicate the ice age with the hydraulic press? So today we are going to find out that. We are going to first crush some snow and then some ice on our Rockmaker 10 million device, and the idea is to figure out, can we use the pressure to turn snow or ice into one giant clump of ice, like the ice age does. Because when it rains like 500 years of snow, you're going to have many kilometers of that, and the pressure under that is pretty goddamn high. So will it work here? That's the question. And this video is sponsored by NordVPN. With my link you are going to get huge discount on 2-year plan and 4 extra months for free. But more about that later. Okay, all the tools are super cooled down on outdoors. It's really super cold there, so the snow doesn't melt. And I shoved it full there and pump like made tight. And now it's ready to be crushed. I'm going to bring it here, crush with this, and then flip it fast over and blop, the ice clump comes out. Or will it? Is it going to work? What you are going to say?
No.
I'm going to say that it's like 100% perfect transparent ice, just like you would freeze the water. Nothing different. Completely same. Here we go. These feel really slippery. Okay, let's go behind the blast screen in case something goes terribly wrong. And here we go with the ice clump. Okay, seems to work. At least water doesn't come out, so it didn't melt. Yes. Hey, pretty nice. There was the bottom part after all. And the ice isn't like clear. It looks like same color as snow. But is it hard? Huh? Hey. What do you say, Anni, that is it ice or?
It's a hard question because it's like white ice.
Pretty hard. Just check if I do like this. I think it's a white ice. Definitely not snow anymore. That we can agree on. Yeah, I think we have to bring these outdoors before they warm up. And we are going to get ready for the next thing, that's ice. Maybe we can do like clear transparent block from just ice, not snow. Okay, we are ready for the ice. And today's video is a bit hectic because we have to move fast to keep our tools cold. So we are in a hurry because of that. Yeah, a good thing that we have 2 kilos of ice. Took like 100 grams. Then just put this here, like this. And I go with the full force. It seems to be a really good option for today's goal. Terrible sound. Truly terrifying. That's full pressure and let's have a look. Is it the exactly same thing again? Actually, I think I have the answer here. This is the same trick as with the rocks. The rock is ice and the snow is sand. Actually, hey, snow is ice sand. Have you ever thought about it?
No.
But it is. And we took ice, we made it into snow, and then we made it into the ice. And that's why this is actually harder.
Okay.
Hey. Hey, this is cool, because when the ice froze or like was crushed, the pressure was really high, so the air bubbles inside of the ice are high pressure bubbles, and when they melt, they pop. Those are micro explosions from the high pressure air bubbles. That's really cool. Yeah, I think you can hear them on the video also. That's really nice. And I have one more ice related trick, but before that, more about today's sponsor, NordVPN. NordVPN is running cybersecurity awareness campaign. They have a lot of cybersecurity awareness lessons on their websites where you can learn about different threats to your cybersecurity. Some of the threats can be dealt with good practices like changing passwords often enough, and on some threats using VPN helps a lot. For example, in man-in-the-middle attack, using VPN encrypts all of your data, so even if somebody pretends to be public VLAN provider and steals some of your data, they cannot do anything with it because it's encrypted. And then of course you get all the other benefits of VPN, like avoiding geo-blocking to get like those Netflix series that are not available on your own country and stuff like that. So it's really great product. And there is also now great offer. You can get huge discount on 2-year plan and 4 extra months for free when you go to nordvpn.com/hydraulicpress. And that offer is exclusive to my link in description. So go check out the link down in description. And if you don't like the product for some reason, there is always 30-day money-back guarantee. So it's risk-free to try it out. Okay, the last missing thing, ice cream. It's kind of ice, it says ice. So can you turn ice cream into solid ice? My guess is that something else is going to come out this time than on the previous tries. Something is going to be different. I'm not sure what, but something. Okay. Oho, 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 oho. Oi.
It escaped.
Huge mess. Hey, this, even with all of that pressure, it's still like soft.
Just like ice cream.
I would say that it's like really hard ice cream. How about with the knife? Hey, it didn't do shit. We turned ice cream into ice cream.
Wow!
That's quite a magic trick.
Hey, stop.
I thought that it's going to fly like funny, but it didn't fly. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.